southwestern Oklahoma, southern Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, west central Grady County in central Oklahoma, northern Comanche County in southwestern Oklahoma, until 10:30 p.m. Central Standard
Hey guys,
Time.
this scared the crap out of me.
48 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles west of Boone, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Anadarko, Elgin, Carnegie, Apache, Fletcher, Cyril, Sterling, Fort Cobb, Vernon, Cement, Boone, Lake Chickasha, Lake Ellsworth, northeastern Fort Sill, Lafferty, Stecker, and northwestern Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 52 and 69. For your protection, move to an interior room